Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A pleasant good night to all my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. Anyway, may I jump right into it on my viewers and subscribers because I know some my time different from phone time. Anyway, a medical doctor arrested as part of Klansman gang police probe. A popular medical doctor in Spanish town, St. Catherine, has been arrested by the police as part of its ongoing investigation into the Klansman gang. 22 alleged members of the gang have already been arrested and are currently before the Home Circuit Court. So my viewers and subscribers, you know me already, just because I see the word medical doctor, you know some I really cover certain cases, certain things I really touch upon. But anyway, you know already, when I say anything to do with health, you know so I have to run out on it. So, medical doctor is arrested as part of the Klansman gang. You know say what go on? Medical doctor, and not even only a medical doctor, it's a popular medical doctor. I don't even know him name yet, but I go update when I find out who is this popular medical doctor. This popular medical doctor, who is he? Them not even give no name. So it seems like them are keep him quiet, keep him name quiet for some reason. Or her name quiet. You hear me talk like me know who. Or her. So it can be a man or it can be a woman. You understand? They never say. Alright? So when me hear what go on my viewers and subscribers, me definitely update on upon this one. Yeah. Anyway, you wanna tell me what you think. Hear this. Dog attack leads to deadly St. Andrew motorcycle crash. Dog attack leads to deadly St. Andrew motorcycle crash. A freak accident on Tuesday evening claimed the life of a motorcyclist and resulted in the injury of his common law partner after the biker was attacked by dogs, causing him to crash into an oncoming vehicle. My viewers and subscribers, may I tell you, Jano, me no know. Sometimes, them have some terrible dog, because listen, I run the dog, I run down the man, The dog them a do, because enough of the, you know how it go already with the dog them. When them ready, you ride all the bicycle past people yard, you ride all the bike, then start to run you down. You understand? One bite you up and all them something there. And I believe dog that bite, resident, fi tie up them dog. Then can't just have dog Lego all about so. You understand? What if they know so then dog bite? Because they have some dog too. A Lego bees dog. Some people just no business with certain dog. You understand? No, see what happened? This a man here ride for him life and he end up crash in an oncoming vehicle. You know what, my viewers and subscribers, seriously, I don't even know what to say. I just want to say rest in peace and my condolence goes out to the family. It has come to my attention, my wisdom warriors, that Kamina Johnson, the foreign affairs, she is looking donation. She is looking donation. She's looking for food. She want, listen, know, so I come right, seriously, me not nice and pretty up, nothing. Right now, she want, the Jamaican people, yeah, here or abroad, to send in donations for the special needs children them will arrive from Haiti. When I hear what me say, but the thing what me can't understand is, me sure know say Andrew Holness did get money. Andrew Holness never get no money. So free Andrew Holness did I do that for? That not make no sense because Andrew Holness get money. So what they mean, what they talk about, they need help with food and they need help with, what you mean you need help with? One time you did take up on yourself and say you go care for the special needs, yeah? When you say you go bring in the picnic them from Haiti to take care of, you did ask us for permission? Let me ask you a question. You did ask for permission? So how comes now when the picnic them there now, you come ask for food? Make it make sense. Why you ask for food Why you asking us for food? You know how much picnic in Jamaica need food, little food right now? Eh? Kamina Johnson, let me ask you a question. You know how much picnic in Jamaica right now need little food? Eh? Do you know that? Let me ask. I come like you don't know what's going on in the country. Do you know how much picnic right now? I go hungry. I need some food. So wait there. So ensure cost whole heap of money, you know. You didn't know that? Ensure cost whole heap of money. It's expensive. It's expensive than yam and banana. If you never know that. It's expensive than rice. Let me tell you that. So you know I can ask Jamaican people now for donations, for buy food. That don't make no sense. So how comes you make America come and tell you and request for you to help them? You understand? If you know what me tell you already, say I phone a business. You can do as you like and do as you please. Me have no problem. But me think say you did have this covered. You make America come tell you how I said and call fat. I'm sure no say America not gonna left on so. They not gonna left on so. So what you talk about Kamina Johnson? You want to ensure you go take money buy, take on the money you get pay every year or every month or however you get pay. Take on the blasted money and go buy ensure and give to them. You can ask Jamaican people, Jamaican people do not have it because when you are Andrew Oldness and you all on decide to go for the special needs children them, you never ask the public nothing. You never say Jamaican people, I'm asking you for your permission. You never. So why no you not come tell Jamaican people say forgive donation to who? Why? Why they forgive donation? For what reason? Wanna get money? And listen, you know some I cover this before my viewers and subscribers. You know some I always cover the Haiti business case. Yeah? And mustard seed did come out and a show off and a hype. And I say everything govern. Everything cover. You understand? And nobody not have to worry because they have it locked. So how comes after a sudden Kamina Johnson a beg pan phone on behalf and I ask for things? Make it make sense. Make it make sense. You understand? Me not say you know for help, you know. Me not say that. You know how much picnic in Jamaica need help? You know how much special needs picnic too? Need help, need food, need ensure. Sometimes me wonder if you know alright. Sometimes me wonder if you go ask Andrew Oldness if America never give him money. Go ask Andrew Oldness and no come out here, no come out here come ask with nothing. Don't do that. Don't you dare do that. Cause when you not go and make no deal, you do not ask we. So why when deal don't make, that you not come look help from we? We don't have it. We do not have it. My viewers and subscribers, when I hear them something here, I want to take in Kamina Johnson. I just want a little clip, small clip, I want to listen to. Here are.
Custody of children would be undertaken. You know that mustard seed, even before they received these Haitian persons with disabilities, because I understand there are a couple adults, which is why I don't use the term children, but they are unable to care for themselves. And they have always provided whatever is possible. The individuals, so far as I understand, they are severely disabled, so they are not necessarily able to participate in the education system. And the issue for them is more about physical care and mental well-being. So I know that the Mustard Seed Communities has made a call for any persons who wish to support, to provide food, but like ensure easily digestible items, etc. Because again, we're speaking about persons who are severely disabled and have therefore require very specialized care and dietary support.
My wisdom warriors, wanna hear Kamina Johnson? No, seriously, this is what I was talking about before they even arrive on the soil. This is what I was talking about. Me never listen, me say, they fi do what they want to do. You understand? I fi them business. No one no say taxpayer money I go there so. Which then done. They are ready. What can we do? What can we do, my viewers and subscribers? Them have to go just use taxpayer money and take care of them. You understand me? But this is what we were running from a long time ago. Because look, as I said, I'm going to bring it up again. There was a special needs school in Jamaica. Yeah, where the government not even pay the rent. When the parents then turn up with their special needs, pitney them. Yeah, gate lock, school lock down. They no explain nothing to the parents. Them parents they don't know what go on. After them I find out that the government owe rent. The government not pay the rent. The government do not pay the rent. You understand? So the special needs people then can't go there to get care. So the family then can have a little breathing space. You know what I mean? Nothing. And some of them work also. Some of them are showing us something. But that's are showing us something. You see? Them so with the money they will Andrew Wellness get. With that there, Andrew Wellness. Kamina Johnson, mustard seed, they need help. So where the money there? America must give you money, because amount of money me hear them call out. So where the money there if you look after them. So soon I go around and take everybody and then, Lord Jesus, may I tell you about Uno. Look, Uno not care about Jamaican people. Uno have to care about phone. This is what I was trying to explain to a lot of people and then cuss and then I understand. Me not have a problem. I do not have a problem if they want to care for special needs. You understand? Me not have no problem. My take is this. If you not take care of phone own, how you gonna manage to take care of somebody else own? And that me did I try to explain all along. And see now, and mustard seed, me not understand how them a come out now and a call out for help. Because them same one did come out, because me did read it over here. Them same one did come out and say everything all right. Them a take care and they have everything governed. You understand me? And they don't need no help. So how comes now them a call out say them need help? Me not understand. Make it make sense. My wisdom warrior, seriously, me just don't understand these people. These people I do not understand. So on a run gun take children from Haiti to Jamaica and now when I talk about insure. You know how dear insure is? You know well I know so insure expensive. So no one come put this strain on Jamaican people. You know how much people want like an insure for drink? You know how much people want like how much old people, how much young baby want like an insure for drink? And can't get none. Hey, Kamina Johnson, you better you go in your pocket and Andrew Wellness, because enough money you don't have. You hear me? You don't go use the money and go buy insurance and leave people alone. You don't to blast the torment. My viewers and subscribers, you tell me what you think and how you feel about this and put an honest opinion in the comment section. My wisdom warriors, breaking news. Juliet Wellness, Anna, Valerie Curtis. So she say Anna, she Anna. Juliet Wellness come out and honoring Miss Valerie Curtis, my viewers and subscribers. But the question I want to ask is how come she not retract the letter now, but she do honor? That means that the honor is not honoring. The honor is not honoring, you know, because if you can't retract that the type of letter there where you send to her, how comes you honor somebody? How comes you honor somebody with your heart full? Talk to my viewers and subscribers. What kind of honor Juliet Wellness claims to share honor Miss Valerie Curtis? Hear this. Speaker praised Curtis' dedication to duty a day after reprimand letter went public. Her strong work ethic, sound organizational skills, and keen attention to detail saw her being elevated to the position of clerk to the Houses in 2021. And since that time, she has commendably led her staff in providing the necessary procedural and administrative support to members of both houses. Read an excerpt from a tribute to then clerk to the House Valerie Curtis by the presiding officers of Parliament. So when you hear this here, then say Speaker praise Curtis' dedication to duty a day after reprimand letter went public. A day after. So the letter went sometime so how comes now? Juliet Wellness, really and truly, you wait. You praise her. So well, this is not honor. This is not honoring Miss Valerie Curtis, because you only praise her. That's it. That's all you do. You just praise her. So when I come out with this for? You praise, so when I try to confuse the public, my viewers and subscribers, so them torment. Me don't know why the article even bother put out this. Me don't know why the article bother put out this. Say I stir, they must try stir up something. The speaker praise Curtis, but you not honor. You not honor her. And that me not understand. You do not honor Miss Valerie. So you know go and say you praise Miss Curtis a day after the reprimand letter went public. Yeah. So who make it go public? It seems like I all know. It seems like a you, Juliet, only allege. Because you don't know, so me have to start use up them word they often, you know. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, it sound like a she allege. Yeah, because no, them look from when the reprimand letter went public. And no, it's in the article. No, it's in the article, you know, because we all, hey, you know, son of a go away. Juliet Wellness, uno just want, you know, all of them something is a damage control in my viewers and subscribers. Uno notice that all of this is a damage control. They know what them a do. Them a try trick the public now. So what happened now? The people them a come out and say same thing. Look they know she did praise her. So me no know what happened to the people. Them what happened to PNP. And this a go happen. This is what they doing. This is what they doing. So them stay. Them always a find some creases and corners, some little small hole to come through. Juliet Wellness, on a serious note, you need to do things properly and stop walk and tell people boy you did praise her. You hear me? Because that no make it. Yeah? That no make it. Nobody can walk and tell people about you praise her. You did praise her a day after. Because of that you do, you need to stop it. Because you never praise nothing. You understand? You maybe say one little 2 words. But you, after that, the reprimand letter there, with your fear heart full up, you are going to praise her. You probably say 1 and 2 little words to her. You understand? So nobody come out and come talk about your praise her. You go on like a honor, you honor her. You have to stop it. You have to stop the damage control. Actually, because everybody I tell us if you retract the letter and one bag of something, you know what you do. You need to stop it. You need me say me can't wait for general election coming on my viewers and subscribers. Me can't wait for the whole of them lift up out of House of Parliament. You know? The whole of them want to lift up, man. The whole of them from Terra Lang him goes straight down to Nesta, goes run straight back to Nigel, goes run straight up to Christopher Tufton and straight under Andrew Wellness. The whole of them me say me want to lift up out of House of Parliament because them are wicked. Them are wicked. This is what they do. They do damage control. You understand? And that them do and stir up things. You understand me? So now everybody going to come out, like what I said before, everybody going to run out and say same thing in the praise the woman, and then the PNP them over there, shut off them out. That's what they do. This is what they do. Them know exactly what they're doing, and uno fi stop it. Uno fi stop it. Uno fi stop it. Uno see one come out and talk about Jamaican people fully dons. And you uno know say some of them dons. And that's why uno do these things. Because enough of them now go do their own research and read to understand what is really happening in the country and what uno do. You understand? Some of them know where you better come out with this. I try to look good name. A good name, yeah, look, you know. But no worry. You make sure it's a Tuesday. Must make sure that them the report they right on your table right in front of you Tuesday morning because House of Parliament not miss me. House of Parliament not missing me. You understand? Right. So you make sure say you're ready for the report. Then you come out and talk about your praise or you praise the day after the letter. Like a good something you do. A good something you do. Anna, if you come and honor this a woman here. She did it for decades. And want to make she leave like that. That is not right. That is unacceptable. But my wisdom warriors, want to tell me what you think now. Put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome and big up on a nice clean self. I'm out.